Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next
planned purchase of sports utility vehicles for members of the upper legislative chamber, which has generated several reactions from a cross-section of Nigerians, took another dimension on Tuesday after Sunday Karimi, the chairman of the Senate Committee on Services, said that based on the analysis that was done by the procurement unit, the committee approved Land Cruiser SUVs for the lawmakers, and that after assessing the condition of the bad roads in Nigeria, the committee arrived at the conclusion that the lawmakers will need durable vehicles that would last the next 4 years. Let's take a listen.
The senator has that they approve a Land Cruiser for us, and somebody that is a minister, you have more than 6, maybe 3 Land Cruiser, Prado, and other vehicle in their convoy, and you are not asking them questions. Please spare us a bit. And this vehicle that you think, go to Nigerian roads today. If I go home once to my senatorial district, I come back spending a lot on my vehicle because our roads are bad. And the issue of buying vehicles for National Assembly, you know, it's a recurring decimal. Every assembly, it will always come up. We should at least let the public, let them have a little trust and confidence in us. If you go to state houses of assembly today, check out. Most of them, before they were even inaugurated, the governors will have bought vehicles waiting for them. Even local government chairman, I know the vehicle my local government chairman is using. So why National Assembly alone?
Rufai, sorry, I know you've been cracking up. I mean, let me just take a reaction from Brother Bath, whose tweet I loved. He wrote, "Now, Nigeria Senate may be silly." He had 5 points that I picked. 1, the Nigeria Senate's attempt at justifying the purchase of 160 million naira SUV for each legislature, comparing that with the ministers, who it claimed has as much as 3 SUVs per senator, is absolutely silly. The Nigerian Senate should be calling the ministers to order if they are wasteful in spending of public funds, especially now that millions of Nigerians, including children, are malnourished and going through unprecedented difficulties due to failing economy, largely due to failure of governors, while many are killed almost on a daily basis due to insecurity. 3, the argument that they chose to procure the SUVs from Toyota because of its durability is even sillier. 4, at this point, the Senate should be found encouraging the other arms of government to patronize Nigeria vehicle brands while it leads by example. 5, Naira is headed to 2,000 Naira to the dollar, and the Nigeria Senate is grandstanding the idea of importing vehicles worth billions of Naira from Japan. This is really as senseless as it is insensitive and unthinkable. Who says that the Nigeria brands are not durable, even if the brands are not at present as durable as their Japan counterparts? How can they be supported to improve? Should the Nigeria Senate know that public procurement of this local brand is the easiest and most sensible way to support them to grow and improve. Japanese vehicles are better on gas mileage than American brands, yet while many private users in the US buy Japan, US government stays with US brands. Same with UK, Germany, France, Sweden, and Republic of Korea. Rufai, I mean, I love that tweet. I'll come to you. Only yesterday we were talking about, Ben Bruce saying that we should, support the Nigerian economy by growing our products. He talked about even using innocent vehicles. But I mean, Sunday Karimi's statement there really got me. I was quite embarrassed watching it. I know you're saying
Mr. Sunday Karimi's
yes, he was
in that statement reminded me of a diary session in Big Brother Nigeria.
Yeah.
Funny arguments. Let me destroy all the arguments. Number one, it is very bad for you to call Nigerian brands are not good. There's a particular Nigerian brand, I don't want to mention because of advertisement.
Okay.
That the thickness of the panel of the body steel is bigger and better than the Japanese brand they are going for.
Toyota. Better than Toyota, right?
I mean, I don't want to call out brands because of the sake of brands.
Yeah, well, he said
So,
it.
no, I'm not calling
You're
out
not
brands.
advertising. Well,
So,
it's shameful.
Secondly, you can make Nigerian cars based on the spec the Senate wants and keep that money here. So that argument of spec and all that. Secondly, the argument of bad roads. How did they used to go to their constituency before they became senators?
I love that you brought that up.
That's number one. Another argument to that bad road talk is, it's not an indictment on them that the road to their villages is bad in the first place.
I mean,
are they not supposed to lobby there to be able to fix it for the people? So they have the temerity to talk about bad roads. Thirdly, the Naira is going to 2,000. You see, let's not deceive ourselves. That's why I had to call a spade this morning. After government borrows all this money and we defend the economy and the currency a bit, what happens after we don't have more money? I hope we know that most of these borrowings are against future sales of crude oil. So one way or the other, we are going through a turmoil. This 50-something billion could have stayed back in Nigeria, but they want to fritter it abroad, while they can share it among Innocent and some other local brands, and Nord and the likes. The other part of the argument is, where is the sense of national pride?
absolutely.
Have you ever seen an American president? And this even goes to the presidency. The president's official car must be Nigerian made if we are serious in this country. Have you ever seen an American president drive a Japanese brand? So the president is corporate. The president drives a German brand. Let's start from the president. They can make specific cars. Because you see, when Peugeot Automobile had that deal with the Nigerian government, all government cars were Peugeot Automobile. This same incumbent president, when he became governor in 1999, his official car was Peugeot Automobile. It was because the Nigerian government had a deal with Peugeot Automobile there in the 70s. So let's start from the president. He too must drive Nigerian-made cars. And we must cascade it across all the ministry to be able to push the auto sector. So I'm sorry, all the arguments of the Senate, this man, the president, the senator that spoke for the Senate, is dead on arrival. Like I said, it reminds me of funny talk like a diary session in Big Brother Nigeria. We shouldn't be doing this to ourselves.
Absolutely.
And yeah, you are comparing yourself to local government chairman. Are you kidding me? Is there anywhere local government chairman, they are collecting money from the entire post to buy cars for the entire seminar and for local government chairman? And if you want to compare, why don't you go and be local government chairman in the first place?
Right.
They also told another lie. To be able to debunk all the argument, they also told another lie. That they want to buy durable cars so that in the next 4 years, that's not true.
No, absolutely
That's not true because
they say the moment you drive a car out
God bless
of
you, the value reduces and they sell it for cheap. So if they want to make that argument, why are they not using? Let's not talk.
Absolutely preposterous. I mean, we don't have much time, but Kay, I would like your, I knew you wanted to talk about this. So just quickly, so I can take the next story.
No, the bottom line is they all know that there is no way they can say that the moment you drive a car out of the place where you bought it, the manufacturer, that the moment you take it out, it loses value.
Absolutely.
The truth of it is, look at what they bought in 2019 and check the price of it, especially with the rate of dollar now. Those cars that you buy for 16 million some 4 or 5 years ago, they will still sell for about 16 million. Because of the price of dollars. Look at the price of dollar then, look at the price of dollar now.
I mean, they must revisit this whole charade. I mean, you cannot ignore the outburst from the Nigerian public. This is quite important. It's a lot. 57 point something billion naira will be spent at the end of the day.
Ridiculous.
It's a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Yes, so my people, as I tell you, I say I go come back. I don't come back, una welcome back. As soon as see that video, una watch, I wanna see them. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. I need to bring and come give una wey be my people wey dey here. Make una follow me shook mouth put whether it dey good or it dey bad. So if it dey right, una still leave una comment below. If it dey bad, una still leave una comment below. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So if you dey watch me, you never subscribe, my brother, sister, I beg you in the name of God, make you hit that red button and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will get notification and you will constantly watch me. Thank you very much. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Bye bye.